Listen to that glitched chime.
On the one.
This is definitely a big elevator. Anyway, this is here at Founders Hall at University of Texas at Dallas in Richardson, Texas. This is a remake of this video for a much more better edition.
Force locked, so we'll go to 3. All right, let's listen to the motor. Here we go. These are your innovation fixtures right here. The button goes out, there's your phone.
This elevator right here has a chime glitch that it kept on dinging repetitively once the indicator lights up. Anyway, I'm gonna let you hear that hilarious repeating chime one last time before I go. Hope y'all enjoyed that.